Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to tell you about how to subtract on Abacus using small friend concept. So let's get started. If you don't know how to represent the number on Abacus, I recommend you to first watch the basics. Now let's start it. First example is to subtract 7 minus 4. Let's represent the number 7. See, this is the number 7. First step is to place the 7. My first step is 1. Second step, check whether if you have enough beats at the lower hand. We can see that we have only 2 beats and we have to subtract 7. So for this you have to apply the small friends concept. For this you have to remove the 5 and add the fourth friend. The fourth friend is 1. So the answer is 3. For better understanding, let's take another example. Let's take an example 5 minus 3. See 5. We have to subtract 3 from it. So first of all, check if you have enough beats at the lower end to subtract. You can see that I have not a single beat to subtract here. So using small friend concept, you know that you have to first remove the 5, then check who is the friend of 3. The friend of 3 is 2, then add 2. See, the answer is 2. If you have any doubts or queries regarding these, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. If you have any problem regarding Abacus, please write it down in the comment box. I am eagerly waiting for your replies. Thank you.